Hey guys, quick review here of Marie and Charles Jewellery. And honestly, this one is a big red flag. So here's what's going on. This brand is being pushed heavily on social media with those classic closing down sale ads. You know, 70–80% off, limited time, countdown timers, all that pressure stuff. But multiple customer reports suggest this isn't a real jewelry brand at all. What people are actually getting, if anything, are super cheap items. Think lightweight plastic or low-grade metal, or sometimes nothing delivered at all. The product photos? Often stolen from real jewelry designers. And the biggest warning signs? No real address, fake urgency timers, broken social links, and customer service that basically disappears after you pay. If you already ordered, contact your bank immediately and request a chargeback, and consider freezing your card. Bottom line, this is one to avoid. If it looks too good to be true, it usually is.